breaking barriers, ERP, PLM, MES integration for aerospace and defense. The aerospace and defense industry is entering a period of accelerated growth across all segments. But legacy ERP systems with digital data discontinuities are a constraint to production from keeping pace. Disconnected systems, siloed data, human errors are common challenges. The industry is accelerating. Can your systems keep up? Introducing the digital core for A&D manufacturing by Capgemini. A modern, composable and data-driven architecture integrating PLM, ERP and MES, powered by SAP Business Suite and Capgemini's Connect platform for real-time visibility, AI-augmented processes, end-to-end traceability and digital workflows. Achieve up to 75% fewer configuration errors, 60% faster engineering changes and up to 80% reduction in time to prepare shop orders, with composable, scalable and flexible architecture by design. Capgemini's large transformation program incremental roadmap allows to manage the change risk and modernize with confidence to achieve interoperability. Capgemini, partner for the future of aerospace and defense.